welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella. Hi guys, how's it going? Happy Monday. It is Monday. You know Mondays are my absolute favorite days. Sorry, my eyes are tearing up. I think my sinuses are, acting up. It is a cold, really rainy, really gray day. I'm trying to do my best with the lighting. Now, I know you saw the title of the video. We're in my guest room. I love this guest room. I think it's the perfect size for guests to feel comfortable. It's not too big of a room and it's not too small. And you can use all these ideas even in your own master bedrooms because it's just a little touch of Christmas. It's not like overdone, but it is a little childish because look, I even brought up the gnome. So let me give you some update. I went down in my storage room and I got out my old blankets. These are the pillows, the pillow shams. I don't know if the lighting is gonna do it good. Guys, I'm trying to do my best with the lighting in here. It's not the greatest. So this is from my wedding. They're cream. And when I showed the guest room, a lot of people said, oh, they didn't like the bedding. So I'm switching it out to this cream white one. I'm going to show you that. And then I got a few touches for the bed. And I also changed out, oh, you guys saw this in a shopping haul. I just recently showed this. It's supposed to be for Angela. Now she changed her mind again. Anyways, I changed out the doilies. I don't know. I like these kind of things. I got these ornaments here. I had them down in my storage. I did not buy these. They're from Michael's. They're like the 50 pack. I don't know if all these are going to fit on that little tree. But I'm going to decorate the little tree real quick. And then I'll be right back. Or yeah, I'll be right back. I won't show you how I decorate it. Maybe I'll just give you an update after. So, the lighting is just horrific. Okay, I filled the tree with the red and white and green ornaments. I think it looks cute. It looks adorable. I'm only going to use what I have, which is this red ribbon. And I'm just going to make a really simple bow topper for up there. Nothing too special. My cousin has already warned me that the kids are going to rip apart the tree. So I said, that's okay, let them. So I'm just going to show you real quick what I do. I'm going to leave a nice long tail so I can twist it around to look pretty. I just make a loop. And the reason why I'm doing this on camera is because so many people ask me about my bows. Guys, they're the world's simplest bows. Make another loop, like as if you were tying a shoelace, okay? That's really all you do. Just hold it with your finger. Then this ribbon has a back side and a front side. You see it there? So I want the front side to show. Loop it again, like that. Look, super simple. And then loop it again, like that, and you got yourself a 4-loop bow. I mean, you could keep going and make a 6-loop bow and keep going. Look, I'll show you right now. Okay, there you go. You see it? It's super easy. I'm just gonna get a little piece of wire, which of course I left downstairs. So I'm gonna go downstairs and get that, get a little piece of wire, come right back up and finish the tree. And then I wanna show you the bed because I think it's going to turn out really cute. So I'm done the bow. Let me show you. It looks really cute. But again, I will take everything off. I'll take the camera off the tripod and show you real quick what I did after. So I made the bed. And if you saw the previous video of the guest bedroom, it had a blue and brown bedding. And a lot of people said they hated it. So I was like, okay, I guess I should change it. And I really like the cream bedding, but I didn't have cream sheets. So I'm going to flip the camera that way, and then I'll show you what I'm doing on the bed. You guys can see really good. I added the cream bedding, and I added these pale They're like almost a green kind of sheet. Sorry for my appearance today, guys, but it's a home day. And don't you like my sweater? It's so cute. So I bought this for the guest room. And then Miss Angela said she liked it. And then she said, no, Mom, I changed my mind. I don't want red this year. I'm going to just leave my rose gold. I'm telling you, that girl is something else. Anyway, so I was thinking, I hope you guys can see me. I'm just going to put this down here. I think this will look cute. And it gives some Christmas cheer to the room. I think it looks really nice. And then, sorry about that. I got this. This was supposed to be for Angela's room. But she says she doesn't like it. Well, she doesn't want it this year. She says next year. I said, okay, fine. So we'll just put it in the guest room for this year. So I'm going to put this here. And don't worry, I'll bring you in closer. And then this pillow that I got, these are fantastic. Guys, don't sleep on Burlington. I mean, I don't know why I always forget to go to Burlington. But this is really good. Oh my God, my babies are going to love this. They're just going to love it. I think it's cute. And I think I'm going to use this also. Is this the one I got for Angela? Maybe this is the one I got for Angela. How should I style this? I don't even know how to style this. I wanted to like drape it somehow. Let's see what I can do. Come on. I want it to look extra cute for them. Extra, extra cute. So I'm just kind of draping it. And I'll show you what else I got. Okay. So I don't know if you could see, there's two end tables. There's one here and one over there. I'm going to try and move the camera so you can see a little bit better. This is a better angle. Now you can see. I just went down to the storage room because I think I want to put a little bit of Christmas cheer here and on the other one over there. So let me get the stuff. You know, a lot of you are going to say, Bella, you shouldn't put silver in the guest room. But guys, truthfully, I don't have any more stuff left and I really don't want to run out and buy new stuff. So I got this cute little silver Santa. He's adorable. And then I got these little blingy reindeer. They're just tiny. Look how cute these are. They're really cute. Look at this. Oh, it's caught. These two, they're just adorable, right? So I'm going to put them with Santa. And then I got this little angel and I'm going to put her over here because even though it doesn't really match, I think, you know what, your guests or like for me, it's going to be my niece and nephew. They're just going to be thrilled to death to see a Santa and some cute Christmas decor. So I'm gonna place this guys, over there. So I placed the Santa and I want to take you off the tripod and show you a little tour of the room. And I want to show you what I did at the door of the room because I think it's adorable. Okay guys, so this is the little wreath I hung on the guest room door. So I think my niece and nephew will really like this. I just put it together with some stuff I had. That in front of you, the door in front of you is the bathroom. There's a bathroom to this guest room. And these are giant closet doors. And then you turn this way and the room just looks adorable. Look at that. It's all Christmas vibe. And there, I added this little gnome right here, right beside the tree. He had this little lantern, but I can't find it down in the boxes. And the tree is just really cute and really, really simple. And then over here, I put this little tray with some extra small Christmas towels that they can enjoy. And then there's the angel. And here's all the bedding. I think it's cute. I think it really turned out adorable. And this is what I mean, guys. You just need small, small touches and you can make a Christmas themed bedroom for your guests. And yeah, that's it. It's just really, really simple. Isn't that cute? So cute. I think the kids are going to love it. I really do. I really think they're going to love it. And I love these blankets. Guys, these blankets are amazing. I don't know about this one here. Maybe I'll take it away. Maybe bring it downstairs. Okay, guys, I finally got the lighting good. Thank God. I hope you have an amazing Monday. I hope you like this little video. Hope it inspires you to do something cute for your guests or in your guest room or even in your own bedrooms. I mean, what did this cost me? Almost nothing. The pillows are brand new. And really, it was only supposed to be one pillow and one blanket because the other one was for Miss Angela. All the other stuff I had. So maybe you guys have stuff like this. Like this little tree is like an old porch tree that I had. You know, those trees that you buy in sets for your porch. I just had one because the other one broke. Put that together. Super simple ribbon. Super inexpensive ornaments. I mean, these kind of ornaments you could find even at Dollar Tree, at the dollar store. You know, maybe you have an angel or a Santa that doesn't really match the color, but it just gives it a nice feel. Anyways, give this video a big, big thumbs up. And guess what? I finally filmed my home tour. So I think I'm going to either have it up for you guys on Wednesday or I'm going to have it up on Friday. I don't know, depending on how long it takes me to edit because, wow, there's a lot to edit in that. And I can't wait for you guys to see the whole house because there's so many things that you have not seen. So I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you on Wednesday. Mwah. Bye, guys.